Okay, let's do some examples. We need to convert the degree measure to radians or the radian measures to degrees. So we see that this is 120 and it's in degrees. So we need to go ahead and change it into radians. And that's when we multiply by pi over 180. So we get 120 pi over 180. Now, some people may feel like they want to go ahead, plug it into their calculator, and get a decimal out. We need to keep it as a fraction, so we're going to reduce this fraction as much as we can. Now, if you struggle with reducing fractions, the easiest thing on this is to see the zeros cancel out. So you have 12 pi over 18. And then you can cancel out again, and let's see, we can take a 6 out of both. So that leaves us with 2 pi over 3. And when we move into the next section, you guys will be able to see how 120 and 2 pi over 3 are identical as well. So that is converted from degrees to radians. Now we're looking at radians to degrees. So this is negative pi over 12. We need to multiply it by 180 over pi. Now the best part about degrees is that you do plug it into the calculator. So first things first, multiplying across, those pi's cancel, and I get negative 180 over 12. If you plug that into your calculator, you'll get negative 15, and make sure to put the degrees on there. So these two are identical. Hopefully that makes sense. On the next slide, you're going to do 2 of your own. So make sure you're paying attention.